like my friend Sam, you're looking for a recipe of pork where it stays tender and juicy, stay with me because this recipe is perfect. All you need is a bit of oil and a bit of butter in your pan, a diced onion which we're going to just golden caramelize, not too much, just until it's tender and it's starting to take a bit of color. In the meanwhile, we're going to slice our tenderloin into medallions, around 1.5 centimeter. It's a little bit less than an inch, I think. I don't know inches. I haven't got a clue. I think it is around an inch, 1.5 centimeter. You can see on the picture. When our onion is cooked or almost cooked, we're going to add our meat. Put the onions to the side, use the hottest part of the pan. We want to caramelize that meat. We don't want to take all the moisture out. We want to cook it just the right temperature, around mid-temperature. So in it goes, and I'm going to put it in on that side for 6 minutes. Yes, you're going to have to time it. It is the perfect time to use your smart speaker if you have one. Hey, set alarm for 6 minutes. I'm not saying the name in case it makes yours speak up. I do that all the time. It's so practical. There we are, 6 minutes. We turn it over. It is beautiful, caramelized, and that gorgeous appetizing color without having taken any of the juices out. Of course, we do the same on this side, 6 minutes. And we're going to start cooking our asparagus as well. I'm just going to lay them around to start with and let them just cook with the steam of the onion. Of course, asparagus take minutes to cook. If you've not prepared asparagus before, you just bend them towards the end and they will break exactly at the end of the woody part and at the start of the tender part. Here we are, the 6 minutes are gone. I'm going to put the meat on the outside and the asparagus in the middle to finish cooking it. On the side, I have boiled some new potatoes with the skin on. I'm just going to give them a quick squash, and a knob of fresh butter. And that will be absolutely perfect. There is a bit of sauce, what the restaurant called un jus, in the pan, which we will use as our sauce. Really simple, no fuss, no complication. We use what's in front of us. One pan dinner almost. I've really enjoyed cooking this tenderloin medallion dish with you. If it has inspired you, please subscribe. I've got so many more other little recipes like that I would like to share. Bon appétit les amis!